Welcome to my channel. Today we learn bird's name. So kids, let's start. Pigeon, pigeon. Sparrow, sparrow. Eagle, eagle. Owl, owl. Swan, swan. Duck, duck. Penguin, penguin. Crow, crow. Peacock, peacock. Vulture, vulture. Ostrich, ostrich. Flamingo, flamingo. Seagull, seagull. Kiwi, kiwi. Crane, crane. Dove, dove. Hummingbird, hummingbird. Woodpecker, woodpecker. Hornbill, hornbill. Hen, hen. Pelican, pelican. Robin, robin. Nightingale, nightingale. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, share and tap bell icon. Thanks for watching.